Today I am present from engineer's house. So let's see our another video. Today's video is you can see here lots of mini devices actually. So what is this? So this is 7 segment actually. So this price is only 15 taka. 15 taka. And another one is Bajar. You can see Bajar, 2-pin Bajar. This price actually 10 taka per piece. And this is a charger module. This price actually 30 taka. 30 taka. Can you see this? And this is push button actually. Push button. This price is 10 taka actually. This price is 10 taka. And let's see the LED green. This is 2 taka per piece actually. That's it.